G'day and welcome to Wolf NZ Indoors for once. This is a quick video as a bit of a request. What the snake skins and tarp look like, all packed up, ready to go before they go in the pack. As you can see from the size of my boots and my hands, they're fairly compact. And this is the Shad 3P 23 litre pannier I carry them in. So we'll take our pannier and we'll knock this whip, put my ground sheet in it. Then we'll put in pegs, hammock suspension, more pegs, and a folding bucket just to be on the safe side. And here we go. That's the tarp in on top. And you can see fits quite nicely into a 23 litre pack. For contrast, this is my hammock sleeves, my hammock snake skins, with my sleeping bag or top quilt and my underquilt and underquilt protector, all bundled up in the same thing. As you can see, it's significantly larger than the tarp snakeskins and requires a bit more work to fit it into this tiny 23 litre pack. So we have this. And what I do, the 25 litre ventable, it's got a little venting bit on the bottom. We'll go open, compression sack / fly bag. Now I'll push this in, is made by 3FUL gear. Push some air out and fasten it up. And then I do the practice of avoiding the bag, which is to say, I sit on the damn thing until the air starts to leak out of it. This is the world's slowest and quietest whoopee cushion. So this is where carrying a few extra kilos in my puku is actually kind of handy. Just sit here and quietly void air out of the, I'm voiding air out of my lungs. That should be enough, and having voided as much as I can out,